Thanks for checking out our video on Montana lease and landlord-tenant laws. Subscribe to our channel for more videos and landlord tips. Landlords need to know their state's laws to manage their rental well. To help you do that, here's an overview of landlord-tenant laws in Big Sky Country. The lease agreement is the foundation of the landlord-tenant relationship. It's a legally binding contract between a landlord and tenant that outlines the terms of the rental relationship. A standard lease agreement is a one-year fixed-term contract. A Montana lease should include basic terms like rent amount, rent due date, lease term, late fee policies, and pet policies. To fully protect landlords, it should also cover details like pest control, snow removal, air filter responsibilities, and yard maintenance. Montana leases must include the names of any individuals authorized to enter the property. They also should include an address for notices. Landlords must provide tenants with a mold disclosure stating that the landlord has no knowledge of mold in the property. If the rental unit has been used to manufacture methamphetamine or contaminated by methamphetamine, the landlord must provide tenants with a meth disclosure stating whether or not there has been remediation. Montana landlords who accept a security deposit must provide tenants with a move-in checklist documenting the condition of the property. Landlords of rental units built before 1978 must provide tenants with a lead-based paint disclosure and pamphlet.
Next, let's talk about some important Montana Landlord-Tenant laws. There is no limit on how much landlords can charge for the security deposit. Landlords must return the security deposit within 10 days of the end of the tenancy. Montana landlords must provide at least 24 hours notice before entering the property for non-emergencies. There is no limit on late fees. However, they should be reasonable and discussed in the lease. Landlords may require tenants to get renter's insurance and can make failure to do so a breach of the lease agreement. Return payment fees cannot exceed $30 and should be discussed in the lease agreement. Fixed-term leases terminate at the end of the period unless otherwise stated. Either party can terminate a month-to-month lease agreement with 30 days written notice. Montana has no limits on rent increases. However, the lease should discuss the procedure and notice requirements for increasing rent.
Montana landlords must provide tenants with a safe and habitable rental unit and make necessary repairs. If a landlord fails to make necessary repairs within 14 days, tenants have specific rights, including the right to terminate the tenancy or make repairs and deduct them from rent. If a tenant fails to pay rent or violates the lease agreement, the landlord may start the eviction process. In these situations, landlords must strictly follow Montana law and can never resort to self-help eviction methods such as changing locks or shutting off utilities. Congratulations, you're ready to create a Montana lease and manage your rental unit. Our lease agreement automatically includes all required disclosures and gives you state assist tips as you build it. It's easy to customize online and offers unlimited access to our electronic signing tool, EasySign. As you manage your rental, remember that we have over 400 property management forms, including Montana-specific forms. Visit easylandlordforms.com to start your tenant screening and create a lease agreement guaranteed to comply with all Montana lease laws.